what's up? I don't know if I'm going to be vlogging today, but in case I am vlogging today, I am filming an intro. I am in the car right now. I am driving to go see my best friend. Now she lives in Chicago, so I'm going to see her there. I live about 45 minutes away from her, so it won't take long. I'm gonna drink a protein shake. I was gonna stop at Starbucks, but I have headaches. I have to be so careful about caffeine. Like, sometimes it helps, but sometimes it makes it so much worse. There's an ant like on me. Ew, get on phone. You guys, I'm so dumb. I thought it was like 45 minutes to an hour away. No, it's a solid hour and a half. So I am so late. Like, I am a good 40 minutes late. Like, what? I feel so stupid. I've never like done something like this. Like, I mean, I'm often late. Like, let's be honest, I'm often late, but usually I know I'm late. Like, it's like a, yeah, I'm late, but like, what are you gonna do about it? You only live once. But today it's like, I'm on time, I'm early. Oh, just kidding, I'm an hour late. Like, that was unexpected, but it's fine. So I have a journey ahead of me. I'm gonna have to listen to some podcasts. I'm gonna have to do some shit to like entertain myself because I get bored so easily. I caved and I'm in the Starbucks drive-thru line. But oh my god, the person in front of me has the cutest little license plate. Let me show you. Well, not their license plate because I don't want you to like arrest them, but it says La vida es bella or a bella. I don't speak French. I don't speak French. I don't speak French. I'm probably gonna have to voice over that clip because I literally sounded like such an ignorant bitch. I need some tea. Oh my god, I'm tired. I got a headache. I don't.
It's literally Italian. I'm so sorry. I'm literally Italian. Just like, okay, bye. I'm done. I'm signing out because I'm an uncultured. I can't even say uncultured. I'm an uncultured swine.
Many minutes later.
I can tell I have reached Chicago because the amount of honking has dramatically increased. So it must mean I'm here. Also, I'm stuck in traffic. So those two qualifications mean I've arrived. I keep seeing Florida license plates literally everywhere. I don't know if that's a sign I should be moving to Florida, but I literally see them every single day. And I'm in Wisconsin, so I don't know. Well, I mean, I'm in Chicago, but seeing them everywhere. This is the cute little scenery we got going. Oh, don't mind him. Okay, gotta go. Look how cute French house is. And little sunflowers. So cute.
Did you notice I've been lost, staying up to the break of dawn, hoping that you'll show a little warmth, but you know I feel the...
Okay, we're at a thrift, and look how cute this is. This little Chinese laundry bag. It's like snaky skin, I think that's what that is. And then we've got a cute little basket for some plants. Cardigan. Oh, look at this little card. That's cute.
Yeah, I like that.
And then spotted this when we walked in. It's like a little camo jacket. That is cute. Yeah, you'd have to like hem it.
That'd be pretty easy to like just take in.
And if you could just make this higher.
Yeah.
It's cute. I can't figure out the price. This is what I found. It's a little skirt. Okay, really quick, can we just take a second to appreciate how cute my friend's room is? It's literally so adorable. But anyways, I thought I'd do a little thrifting haul. So we went to this thrift store. I'll link it down below in case you guys live in Chicago. It was honestly kind of scary. Found very cute. Some very cute things. Let me set it up aesthetically and then I'll show you. Okay, so this is everything that we got. Some of it's mine, some of it's hers, but honestly, we like the same things, so if either of us were alone, we probably would have bought all the same stuff. But this is the first thing. It's like a little basket. She's gonna put her little plants in it, and it's so cute. This was $1.50. Really cute, and honestly, you find these at like Target and Home Goods and everything for like $15 to $30. So $1.50 is good. Next, we'll start over here. Okay, so this was like a little linen skirt situation, and she's probably gonna have to take it in She will have to take it in because she's like a tiny human and this is a big skirt. But it was only $3.50. It's 100% linen, so she could even make like a little bag out of this. Linen's an expensive fabric, so little tip if you're thrift shopping, look at the fabrics. If it's cotton, if it's linen, if it's anything that's like a high quality fabric, buy it, make something out of it. It doesn't even have to be clothes. But yeah, so that's this first thing. The second thing is a skirt that I picked up. It's like a little midi skirt, and this is a little bit big on me, but I think it'll work. And it's just like this cute little polka dot pattern. It's tan. I think I might alter it to have like a little slit in the side, but I thought this would be cute for fall with like some chunky sandals. And this was only $1.70. So then next is this cardigan. It's just like a cute chunky cardigan. It's kind of oversized and loose. The brand is Workshop. I'm not really sure. And this was, I think, $8 and like something cents. But look at the pockets. See, you can tell it's like nice. And then finally, this is the first thing that I saw when I walked in, and I immediately was like, that. It's just like a camo, oversized camo jacket. They always have these at thrifts, but you really have to try it on to see if it's gonna be like cute oversized or like not the best oversized, but this was cute. This was $8.70 and it's from the brand by Corpus. I don't think I showed the brands here. They weren't anything. There's just Sag Harbor and Laura. Oh, this is Laura Ashley. Girl, what the hell? That's a good brand. The little thrift haul. Got a little margarita moment occurring. So cute.
Notice when I'm wrapped around your finger, did you notice that you put me through the wrinkle when you said that you need this solace?
Definitely not in the front house anymore because I suck at that now.
It's so smooth. You know those like
really white people, they're like, this is dangerous. Ooh. Tequila makes my clothes fall off.
Every day is a challenge. Top down, blowing smoke out. It's not good for my balance. It sounds great, but I'm burnt out. Cause now the drugs aren't working. I've taken all I can, but my heart's still hurting. This can't be all I am. Cause leaving me so lonely only left me half a man. Now the highs aren't worth it. The drugs aren't working. Did you notice when I passed you yesterday that I was frozen? Thinking.
Okay, I just need you to listen to how high-pitched my voice is in these next clips because I'm like low-key kind of drunk. I have not drank since college and I do not have the same tolerance, girlfriend, but I thought I was fine. But like looking back at the vlogs, my voice goes up like maybe 8 octaves and you know, that's how you know.
We are eating tacos. Sorry, it's so loud. But we're at this place called Big Star. So cute. Got a little light going. And we got our tacos.
Flashing back, I can't live in the moment. Still in the past.
Not in an ice cream shop. I don't know who I am either, but this is the donut I got. It's like a gluten-free pistachio donut. Might get some ice cream too. I don't know. I got ice cream too.
Since you left me broken when you said that you need this solace that I can't offer you, I found a light.
Out for brunch, we're at this place called Beatrix. So cute with a little window. Food looks really good. I think I'm gonna get quinoa cakes with poached eggs. It's got a lot of yummy food and yummy drinks as well. Alright, so my food is here. I got the quinoa cakes with poached eggs. She got a little chia seed bowl. Chicago. I have to go to work and I'm late because, little funny story, not that funny, but here we go. So I found this in the trash, okay? I watched this cute little couple carry it outside to their dumpster. It literally still has the IKEA directions and like nails taped to it. So I knew that it was in like pristine condition. So I was not about to let this entire IKEA brand new bed frame go to waste. Now, do I want it? Not really. But I think my mom might want it, my dad might want it, my sister might want it, my boyfriend might want it, somebody might want this bed frame. And me being the psychopath that I am, I can't just see a brand new bed frame and leave it there. So obviously, I took the bed frame. The only issue is that this is a queen size bed frame, headboard, whole bed situation. It's pretty large, so I had to stuff it in my seat, and obviously it comes up to the front seats. Now, one thing that I forgot to mention to you is my car's liftgate has always had issues. There's something about this model of my car that the liftgate sometimes will like undo itself. It's really a great feature, and I had it recalled and I got it fixed, but it's broken again, and this time I'd have to pay for it, and it's just too much to fix it. So I just really never use the whole liftgate. I just use the glass part, and then I'm fine. Problem solved. Except obviously I had to use the liftgate to get this bad boy in there. So guess what happens to me? I'm driving on this highway, highways from Chicago to Wisconsin. People go fast, people are freaking nuts. It's a long little drive, right? Yeah, guess whose liftgate opens on the highway? Mine, my liftgate. My liftgate opens on the highway. So obviously I pull over into a little neighborhood and I fix the situation, but now I'm late to work because of this.
I forgot to end the vlog, but here's a video of my friend at work eating a pickle.
Ooh, baby.
I love you, okay? Thank you so much. Subscribe. Alright, goodbye.